Assalamu alaikum students. So in today's lesson we are going to learn how to plot simultaneous linear graphs. Up till now you have found the solution of simultaneous linear equations through elimination method and substitution method, and now with the graphical method we are going to find the solution set. Let's start. So here we have two equations. Here we have to plot the two lines of equation, and you know that because this is linear equations, so the standard form of linear equation is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. So we have to bring these equation into standard form. So it is x plus y, so y is the subject, so we have to make y as a subject. For this we have to move this x. So x will become minus x. This is our equation. Second, x minus y is equal to 4. What do you think we have to move x? No, because y is negative and our subject should always be positive. So we have to move this y over here. So when we move y, it will become x is equal to 4 plus y. Now we have to move this 4. So it will become x minus 4 is equal to y. This is our final equation. Now, for table of values, I have chosen x as 0, 2 and 4. These are the random numbers and you can choose 0, 1 and 2. You can choose 1, 2 and 3. Any values you can choose to find the value of y. So let's start x as 0. So when I substitute in the equation 10 minus 0, so I get the answer 10. Second time y is equal to 10 minus, now instead of x I will write 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. And the third equation, third time it is y is equal to 10 minus, now instead of x I will write 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, let's come to second equation. X minus 4 is equal to y, so x is 0. 0 minus 4 is equal to y, so y is minus 4. 0, x is 2, so 2 minus 4 is equal to y. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. X is 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to y, so x is 0. So these are our values. Our table of values is complete. Okay. So now we have a grid and we have to plot these coordinates. Let's start with the first one. 0, 10. Now if you look at the table of values, these values are making coordinate pair. 0, 10, 2, 8, 4, 6. And second is 0, minus 4, 2, minus 2 and 4, 0. Let's plot the first point. 0, 10. This is 0. This is 10 over here. And 2, 8, 2 and 8 is over here. 4, 6, 4 and 6 is over here. So let's plot the line. These are our lines. Okay. Now plot the second line. 0, minus 4, it is over here. Now let's write them as coordinate pair so that you can understand. 2 minus 2 and 4, 0. So 0, minus 4 is over here. 2, minus 2 is over here and 4, 0 is over here. Now let's join the two lines. Now if I join the line, I can see that the lines do not meet the other line. And we have to join the two lines. For this, we have to extend the line. So when I extended the line, so I get this type of graph. Now we have to see that what is the point where the two lines intersect. So this is the point where the two lines intersect. Now see what is x over here. So we can find x as 7. Now what is y over here? Let's find it is 3. So our solution set is 7, comma 3. Let's do the second question. Using the graphical method, solve the pair of simultaneous equations. Now again, the standard form is y is equal to mx plus c. It is not according to standard form, so we have to move this plus 1. So it will become y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay. Let's see the second equation. Here we have not only x is present with y, 2 is also present with y. So we have to first move this x. So it will become 2y is equal to 8 minus x. Then I have to move this 2 from here. It is multiplied over here, and when it goes to the right hand, it will become the divisor. So it will 8 upon 2 minus x upon 2. 8 upon 2 will become 4. So our final equation is y is equal to 4 minus x upon 2. Now x, let's come over here. X is 0. Again, I have chosen 0, 2 and 4. You can choose any integer for keeping the value of x. Okay, so y is equal to 2 bracket 0 minus 1. So 2 0 time is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Y is equal to 2 times 2 minus 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Y is 2 times 4 minus 1. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Over here, y is equal to 4 minus. Now instead of x, I will write 0. 0 upon 2 is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Y is equal to 4 minus. Now second, I will take 2. 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 will become 1. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. And y is 4 minus 4 upon 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So these are our, I did not write this 7. These are our table of values. Once the table of values are completed, we can easily plot these points, these coordinates on a grid. So these are our table of values. The first value is 0, comma minus 1. The second coordinate pair 2, comma 3. The third coordinate pair 4, comma 7. The first coordinate pair 0, comma 4. The second is 2, comma 3, and the third is 4, comma 2. So let's point the first pair of coordinates. 0, comma minus 1, it over here. 2, comma 3 is over here, and 4, comma 7 is over here. Let's join these points and we'll get this. Now 0, comma 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2. 0, 4, 0, comma is 4 is this. 2, comma 3 is the same point, and 4, comma 2. So when I join these points, I'll get this type of graph. Let's see where is the intersection point. It is 2, x is 2, and y is 3. So our solution set is 2, comma 3. If you look at the two tables, 2, comma 3, 2, comma 3 is already common. So our table can also tell us that which point is common. So I believe you are clear about how to plot the point and how to get the solution set. Solution set is the intersection point of the two lines. Okay. These are the questions that you have to do on your graph papers. Okay, so note them down and find the solution set. I hope you have understood plotting the simultaneous linear equations graphically. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Allah Hafiz.